students. Now today we will see our page number 64, exercise 4.6. Subtract and check your solution. Okay, so we have to subtract these 4-digit numbers. So we will subtract one by one. First example is 3420 minus 875. 0 minus 5. It is not possible. So we have to take 1 from this 2 and we have to write here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 1. 2 का 2 में से 1 जो है हमने यहाँ पे दिया था, तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 रहता है. So 1 minus 7. Is it possible? No. So we have to take again 1 from this 4 and write down here 11. 11 minus 7. How much? 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 क्यों? 4 में से 1 जो है वो ऑलरेडी हमने यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया था, उनको दे दिया था. तो 4 minus 1 how much? 3. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is it possible? No. Again we have to take 1 from this 3 and write down here 13. 13 minus 8 how much? 5. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 क्यों? क्योंकि 3 में से 1 हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे दिया है, तो यहाँ पे कितने रह गए? सिर्फ 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 minus nothing, 2 as it is. So what is our answer? 2545. Okay. Now see second example. 3478 minus 1698. So start with the ones. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 4 and write down here 17. 17 minus 9, how much? 8. 4 minus 1, how much? 3. क्योंकि हमने 4 में से 1 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर दे दिया है. तो 3 minus 6, is it possible? No. So take again 1 from this 3 and write down here 1. So it will become now 13. 13 minus 6. How much? 7. So 3 minus 1. How much? 2. 2 minus 1. How much? 1. So what is our answer? 1780. Now see third example. Third example is what? 4184 minus 2976. Okay, so 4 minus 6, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 8 and write down here 14. 14 minus 6, how much? 8. Then 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 क्यों? क्योंकि हमने 8 में से 1 जो है यहाँ पर दे दिया था. So 8 minus 1, how much? 7. 7 minus 7, how much? 0. Now see 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 4 and write down here 1. It will become 11. 11 minus 9. How much? 2. Again see here 4 minus 1. 4 minus क्यों अभी यहाँ पर? क्योंकि 4 में से 1 जो है हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर दे दिया था. So 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, how much? 1. So what is our answer? 1208. Now see fourth question. Fourth question is what? 3468 minus 1275. Okay. 8 minus 5. How much? 3. 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 4 and write down here 16. Okay. So 16 minus 7. How much? 9. So write down here 9. Okay. 4 minus 1. How much? 3. क्योंकि हमने 4 में से 1 जो है यहाँ पर दे दिया था. So 3 minus 2. How much? 1. And अभी जो देना लेना था वो यहाँ पर ही खत्म हो गया है, खत्म हो गई है बात. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ भी कट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर. 3 minus 1, how much? 2. So what is our answer? 2193. So in this way write down these answers in your textbook. Now see fifth question, 7000 minus 1989. So 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9, is it possible? No. So what we have to write? We have to write here 9. Take 1 from this 0. So 0 means what here? 10. Okay. So 1 already given to this 0. So 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 क्यों यहाँ पर? क्योंकि यहाँ से 1 जो है ऑलरेडी हमने यहाँ पर दे दिया है. तो 10, 0 means what? 10. 10 minus 1, how much? 9. 9 minus 8, how much? 1. Okay. So again 0 means what? 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Again we have taken 1 from this 7. So we have to cut this and write down here 6. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So what is our answer? 5011. Now see sixth question. 8200 minus 1985. So 0 minus 5. Is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 10 and write down here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 1, how much? 9. 9 minus 8, how much? 1. Okay. Now see 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 8 and write down here 12. Okay. So, sorry. Already we have given 1 to this 0. So we have to write down 2 minus 1, how much? 1. 1 minus 9, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 8 and write down here 11. 11 minus 9, how much? 2. 8 minus 1, how much? 7. 7 minus 1, how much? 6. So what is our answer? 6215. Okay. Now see seventh example. 8435 minus 2988. Now see here. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 3 and write down here 15. 15 minus 8, how much? 7. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 क्यों किया? क्योंकि 3 में से 1 जो है हमने यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी दे दिया है. So 3 minus 1, how much? 2. 2 minus 8, is it possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to take again 1 from this 4 and write down here 1. So it will become 12. 12 minus 8, how much? 4. So okay. So 4 minus 1, how much? 3. 4 minus 1 क्यों किया? क्योंकि 4 में से 1 हमने यहाँ पर दे दिया है. तो यहाँ पे कितना रहा? 4 minus 1 कितने हुए? 3. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9, is it possible? No. So again take 1 from this 8 and write down here 1. So it will become 13. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9, how much? 4. Now see 8 minus 1, how much? 7. 7 minus 2, how much? 5. So what is our answer? 5447. Okay. Now see our 8th example. 9000 minus 2785. So 0 minus 5. Is it possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 from this 10 and write down here 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 क्यों किया यहाँ पे? क्योंकि 1 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर हमने दे दिया है. तो what we will write? We will write here 9. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 8, how much? 1. Okay. So again we have taken 1 from this 10. So 10 minus 1, again here we have to write down 9. 9 minus 7, how much? 2. Okay. Again 1 we have taken from this 9. So 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 2, how much? 6. So what is our answer? 6250. So complete these answers in your textbook. Now see page number 65, exercise 4.7. find the missing numbers. So we have to find out missing numbers in each example. Now first example is what? 996 minus missing number equal to 879. So you can see here one box is given in your textbook, page number 65, that 996 is what? Greater number. Then 879 is what? Answer. Answer means what? Difference. Okay, so write down that number 879. We have to find out the smaller number. Okay, smaller number is not given here, so we have to find out this smaller number. How we can find it? We can find it smaller number by subtracting this greater number, and if we subtract this difference from this greater number, we can get this smaller number. So we will solve this first, then we will get the correct answer. Now see, 996 minus 879. Okay, now see 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 9 and write down here 16. 16 minus 9, how much? 7. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 क्यों? 9 minus 1 इसलिए कि 9 में से 1 जो है हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर दे दिया है. So 9 minus 1, how much? 8. 8 minus 7, how much? 1. Okay, again 9. So here यहाँ पे हम जो भी यहाँ पे कैरी, यहाँ पे बोरो जो भी किया था, ये सब यहाँ पर ही बात खत्म हो गई. तो अभी यहाँ पे हम सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8, how much? 1. So what is our answer? 170. So we can write here this answer 170. So 996 minus 170 equal to 879. If we solve this subtraction, see 996 minus 117. So 6 minus 7 not possible. So take 1 from this 9. 16 minus 7, how much? 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. Okay, that means our answer is correct. Okay, now see second example. Second example is somewhat different. Okay, now see missing number minus 136 equal to 709. Okay, now in this example what we have to do? We have to write down the difference first. Okay, so write down this difference first. Then we have to add this smaller number. What is the smaller number here? 136. So we have to do addition of this difference, or we can say answer and this smaller number. So we have to do here addition, and whatever answer we will get, that number is called as greater number. That number is nothing but our missing number, our answer. Okay, now add this. 9 plus 6, how much? 15. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, how much? 4. 7 plus 1, how much? 8. So what is the answer? 845. So we have to write down here answer 845. Suppose we subtract 845 minus 136. What answer we will get? We will see. We have 5 minus 6, not possible. So take 1 from this 4. 15 minus 6, how much? 9. 4 minus 1, how much? 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 1, 7. So if we subtract this 845 minus 136 equal to 709. That means our answer is correct answer. Okay. Now see third question. 2146 minus missing number equal to 709. Same to same like this example. So what we will write first? We will write here 2146. This is our greater number. Minus 709. 709 means what? Our answer. Answer means our difference. So what we have to do? We have to subtract this number. Then we will get this missing number. That missing number is called as smaller number. So subtract this 2146. So 6 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 4 and write down here 1. It will become 16. 16 minus 9. How much? 7. Okay. 4 minus 1. How much? 3. 3 minus 0. How much? 3. Okay. So 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7. Is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 2 and write down here 11. 11 minus 7. How much? 4. 2 minus 1. How much? 1. 1 minus nothing. That means we have to write down as it is. So 1437. That smaller number is our answer. So we can write down this answer here. 1437. Okay. So you write down this answer in your textbook. So no need to write this. You can write down directly this answer 1437 in your textbook. Okay. Now see fourth example. Fourth example is also same like that. So 7054 minus missing number equal to 3946. So what we have to do here first? Write down this greater number first. 7054. Then write down the difference. Difference means what? Answer. So 3946. So now do here subtraction. 4 minus 6. Is it possible? No. So take 1 from this pi and write down here 14. 14 minus 6. How much? 8. 5 minus 1. How much? 4. 4 minus 4. How much? 0. Okay. So 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So what we have to write down? We have to take 1 from this 7 and write down here 10. 10 minus 9 equal to 1. 7 minus 1. 7 माइनस क्यों करना है? क्योंकि 7 में से 1 जो है हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर दे दिया है. तो 7 minus 1 6. 6 minus 3 3. So what is our answer? 3108 is our answer. Okay, that is our smaller number. So this answer we have to write down here 3108. You just write down this answer in your textbook. No need to write this thing because there is no space in your textbook. So write down these answers properly in your textbook. Now see fifth example. Missing number minus 1389 equal to 2175. So answer is given, but we have to find out this greater number. So what we have to do? We have to write down this answer, this difference here, and then write down smaller number, and we have to do the addition. Okay. So do the addition. 9 plus 5. How much? 14. What is the carry? 1. 7 plus 1. 8. 8 plus 8. 16. What is the carry? 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 3. 5. 2 plus 1. 3. Okay. So what is our answer? 3564. So you write down 3564 is our answer. Okay. So if we subtract 3564 minus 1389, our answer is 2175. Okay. Now see sixth example. Missing number minus 4329 equal to 884. Here also we have to write down this difference. So first you write down difference 884. Then write down 4329. That is smaller number. Now we have to do here addition. Okay. So do the addition. 9 plus 4. How much? 13. What is the carry? 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. What is the carry? 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. What is the carry? 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the answer? 5230. That is our answer. So you write down 5230. Okay. So you write down these answers only in your textbook. So properly you write down the answers. Now see second question, fill in the missing digits. So we have to find out the missing digit where they are. These empty boxes are given. In that empty boxes we have to write down the missing digits. So 7 question is what? 7 missing digit 8 minus 4 94 equal to missing digit 8 missing digit. So we have to find out here answer. So 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 how much? 4. Okay. Missing digit minus 9 equal to 8. Okay. So which number, if we from that number if we subtract 9, we will get answer 8. Okay. If we write here 7. 7 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So what we have to do, we have to take 1 from this 7 and write down here 17. 17 and you cut here also. 17 minus 9. How much? 8. Now 7 minus 1. 7 minus क्यों किया? क्योंकि 7 में से ऑलरेडी 1 हमने यहाँ पे दे दिया है. तो 7 minus 1. How much? 6. 6 minus 4. How much? 2. Okay. So what is our answer? 284. Okay. Now see 8th question. 7 empty box 8 minus 2780 equal to 4900. Here last one is empty box. So we have to find out the answer. Now subtract 8 minus 8. How much? 0. Now which number we subtract from this? Suppose we subtract 1 from that number. Which number? Then we will get this answer 0. 1. If we subtract 1, this 1 from this 1, 1 minus 1 equal to how? What? 0. Okay. Now see here, empty box minus 7 equal to 9. So what we have to write here? We have to write down here 6. Okay. 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 7, cut this 6 and write down here 16. 16 minus 7. How much? 9. Okay. So 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 क्यों किया? 7 minus 6 1 मतलब 7 में से 1 जो है ऑलरेडी हमने यहाँ पर दे दिया है. So 7 minus 1 कितने बचे हैं अभी यहाँ पर? 6. 6 minus 2 how much? 4. So what is our answer? 4900. Okay. So now see 9th question. 2100 this empty box 4 minus empty box 0 9 empty box equal to 1 empty box 0 3. Now 4 minus which number we will get answer 3. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Now from which number if we subtract 9 we will get answer 0. We have to write down here 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Now see 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Okay. Then 2 minus which number equal to we get answer 1 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay. So this is our answer. Now see 10th question. 6 minus 3 empty box 76 minus 2800 this empty box. So 6 minus empty box equal to 6. So 6 minus nothing. Nothing means 0. 6 minus 0 equal to 6. 7 minus 0 equal to 7. Now see which number minus 8 equal to 4. That we have to find out. Now see, suppose we write down here number 2. Now see 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8, is it possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 from this 3 and write down here 12. 12 minus 8, 4. We have to find out from which number if we subtract 8, then we will get answer 4. That's why we have done here 2. 2 minus 8 is not possible. So take 1 from this 3 and write down here 12. 12 minus 8 4. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 क्यों किया? 3 में से 1 ऑलरेडी हमने यहाँ पर दे दिया. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So what is our answer? 476. Okay. So properly you write down these answers in your textbook. Now see 11th question. 4 empty box, 2 empty box minus 1, 4 empty box 7 equal to 2871. So empty box minus 7 equal to 1. So what is our answer here? 8. 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So 2 minus which number equal to 7? So 2 में से कौन सा नंबर हम कट करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आएगा यहाँ पर 7. So if we write here 5. So 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Is it possible? No. So what we have to write here? So 2 minus 5, it is not possible. So take 1 from this number, missing number, and write down here 12. 12 minus 5 is our, what is our answer? 7. Now here, which number we have to write? Then we will get the answer 8. And that digit, from that digit if we subtract 4, then we will get the answer 8. Suppose we will write here 3. If we write here 3 number, 3 minus 4, is it possible? No. So first we have to give 3 minus 1, how much? 2. Because 3 minus 1 क्यों किया यहाँ पर? क्योंकि पहले ही हमने 3 में से 1 जो है यहाँ पर दे दिया है. तो अभी यहाँ पे कितने रहे? 3 minus 1, how much? 2. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 4 and write down here 12. 12 minus 4, how much? 8. Now 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 क्यों किया? क्योंकि 4 में से 1 ऑलरेडी हमने यहाँ पर दे दिया. 4 minus 1, how much? 3. 3 minus 1, how much? 2. So this answer is our correct answer. Okay. Now see 12th question. What is this 12th question? 5, 3, empty box 0 minus 2, empty box 5, 7 equal to 2643. Now see here 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this empty box and write down here 10. 10 minus 7 equal to how much? 3. Okay. Now which number we have to write down here? Then from that number if we subtract 5, then we will get the correct answer 4. So we have to write here 0. 0 means what here? 10. 10. अभी 10 में से हमने ऑलरेडी 1 यहाँ पर दे चुका है. तो 10 minus 1 कितने हुए? 9. 9 minus 5, how much? 4. Okay. Now which number if we write here, then we will get the number 6. If we write here 6, so now see 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6, is it possible? No. So and 3 minus 1, that we have to write here because from this 3 already 1 is given here. So we will write here 2. So 2 minus 6, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 5 and write down here 1. So what it will become? 12. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 क्यों किया यहाँ पर? क्योंकि हमने यहाँ से 5 में से 1 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर दे दिया था. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So what is our answer? 2643. Okay. So in this way you have to write down this, fill your missing digits. Okay. Now see this 13th question. So 13th question, this 13th question, this empty box, and then 6, this empty box, and again 6. Now 3 minus which number? Then we will get the answer 6. 3, if we write here 7, 3 minus 7, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 8 and write down here 13. 13 minus 7, how much? 6. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 क्यों किया? क्योंकि 8 में से 1 जो है ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर दे दिया और ये 13 हो गए थे. So 8 minus 1, how much? 7. 7 minus 0, how much? 7. Okay. Now see here, if we write 5 here, 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 7 and write down here 15. 15 minus 9, how much? 6. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 क्यों किया? क्योंकि 7 में से 1 जो है ऑलरेडी हमने यहाँ पर दे दिया, तो ये 15 बन गया. तो 7 minus 6, how much? 7 minus 1, how much? 6. So 6 minus 2, what is the answer? 4. So what is our answer? 4676. Okay. Now see 14th question. Now from which number, if we subtract 8, we will get answer 6. Okay. Suppose we write here 4. 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8, is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 10 and write down here 14. 14 minus 8, how much? 6. So 0 means what? 10. 10 में से हमने 1 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर दे चुके हैं. So 10 minus 1, how much? 9. Now see here, 10 minus 1 यहाँ पर हमने दे दिया है. तो 9 minus how much? Equal to which? 9 minus which number? Equal to 7. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Okay. Now which number, if we write here, so we will get the correct answer if we write here 2. 2 minus 5, is it possible? No. So what we have to write here? We have to take 1 from these 3 and write down here 12. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 5. 2 minus 1 क्यों किया? क्योंकि 2 में से हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर 1 दे दिया है. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and 1 minus 5, is it possible? No. So that's why we have to take this 1 from this 3 and write down here 11. 11 minus 5 equal to 6, and 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 क्यों किया? क्योंकि 3 में से ऑलरेडी 1 जो है हमने यहाँ पर दे दिया है. तो 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So what is our answer? 1676. So in this way you properly write down all the carries in your textbook.